Yo, what is Gucci, everybody on YouTube? Thank you guys for tuning in back for another video on this channel. In this video, once again, I don't know what is going on. A lot of unboxings during this whole quarantine, but I do have a nice unboxing that I'm super excited for. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, and let's just hop into it. Before we start off this video, I'd like to get this video up to 40 likes and 15 comments. If you guys have any video suggestions, drop a comment down below. And if you guys are enjoying the content, also hit that thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed, because we are trying to continuously grow the channel. I appreciate you guys for all the love you guys have shown on the channel lately. Thank you guys for all the support. Enough talking, let's get into this unboxing. As far as this, what is in this box, I did talk about this a while back in one of the other unboxings, how I was looking out for this shoe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to pay retail for it, and retail was $100, and the resale has just skyrocketed as far as where all these shoes are at and where they're going. So I did mention this shoe in another unboxing way back when. I believe these released back in March, if I'm not mistaken, which was like 2 months ago. And like I said, prices have just skyrocketed through the roof because 2020 is the year of this shoe, and I don't want to say what shoe it is until we bring it out of the box. So here it is, guys. All right, so let's just bring the shoes out for you guys. Here is the red Nike sportswear box. Retail was $100. And here is the box for you guys. Nike Dunk Low SP, $100. And your boy unfortunately did pay $300 for these, which is just crazy because with Dunks, this shoe is just going up and up and up, and I believe this pair and the pair right here are just at $350 now, maybe almost hitting $400, which I just find insane. So here are the shoes for you guys. I keep calling these the Dukes. I believe these are the Kentuckys. My girlfriend just told me that they were the Kentuckys. But you have the beautiful white and blue Kentucky pair of Dunks that recently came out about 2 months ago. I wanted to go ahead and complete the little pack as far as the March Madness Dunks that released in March. I really liked how both of these looked, and I really like how they look better off with the white laces. Honestly, during this whole quarantine, I'm not really changing out the laces or rocking any of my kicks as of lately. I've been rocking like slides and just bummy outfits because I feel like it's a total waste to just dress up to go to Target, I guess you can say. But yeah, so just showing you guys what I picked up recently. Unfortunately, I did pay a pretty penny for these, but I thought I should pull the trigger on them before they just continuously skyrocketed in price. Let me know what you guys think about my recent sneaker pickup. I'm actually super excited to have these be a part of the collection, but it just sucks that we have to pay these prices that we're willing to pay for a pair of shoes. I liked how Devin Booker wore these, and that's kind of what made me want them because I am a Devin Booker fan. He wore these like before they came out during All-Star weekend, so that's what made me want these. They're honestly very nice, both of these, including the off-white pair. And then the Syracuse pair, they're just beautiful. They honestly remind me of like a low top Jordan 1. And so that wraps it up for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. Let's try and get this video up to 40 likes, maybe 15 comments. Leave a comment down below what dunks you're trying to cop this year, because the only dunks that are left on my list right now are gonna be the off-white green pair. So I'm actually super excited about that. So leave a comment what you guys want to see next. Hopefully I can cop some more dunks this year, and hopefully I'm not going to end up paying resale like I do for all my other shoes that I have in my collection, because honestly it just breaks the bank and it sucks. I never win shoes for retail, and I just get butthurt all the time. Literally I'd be waking up like at 7 a.m. just to take a fat L all the goddamn time. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Like the video, comment, subscribe, whatever the case is, and then you guys can also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Follow the bflakessupply. Go ahead and check out my web store. More items will be dropping on there soon. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Peace. Alright, so you guys know the drill. this is the last clip of the video. If you guys are staying tuned to the end of it, let me know what you guys think about my recent pickup. Go ahead and comment dunk, and I will know that you stayed to the end of the video. I greatly appreciate you guys, whoever stays to the end. It does mean the world to me. So let's get this video up to 40 likes, 15 comments. Leave a comment what you guys want to see next. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good one. Check out the web store. Peace.